Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to install PfSense on VMware Workstation. So first we need to download the PfSense. When you Google it, you go to download and select the architecture for your computer, and either for USB image or ISO image you can download it. I already downloaded that. So let's go to VMware Workstation. We will click on Create a new virtual machine button and typical installation. So wherever you download that, you go and select that one. Next, PfSense, say firewall. It really doesn't matter how much gigabyte you're using, 20 is okay. If you want, you can store them in a single file. And over here, I'm going to customize the hardware. I need to add some virtual network adapters, a couple of them. So press A and N, enter, A and enter, A and enter. 6 adapter would be fine. Whatever the network adapter, I'm going to choose custom and VMnet the same number with the network adapters itself. That is going to be 2, 4, 5, and 6. The order of the network adapters doesn't matter, but make sure the network adapter number and the VMnet number is the same. Now we will close it. Let's finish this. To make a better view, I will make it bigger. If you don't say anything, it will continue as a default option, and that's fine. PfSense will serve as a firewall and DHCP server. Now we'll accept the terms. Install auto, install stripe, press the space key, then press OK. Now we will accept installation process. Now the installation is over. I will reboot the machine. It's now time for some configuration. First, we will assign some interface. Select option 1. I'm not going to set up the VLANs now. EM0, EM1, EM2, EM3, EM4, EM5, and want to proceed. Okay, it's time to do the set up the interface IP addresses. Now we will select the option 2. The first one can stand as DHCP, but the second one I will configure the as manual. So the IP address is going to be 192.168.1.254. The subnet IP 24. No need for gateway. No IPv6, and I want to enable the DHCP server. The range will start from 192.168.1.1 and it will end up 192.168.1.254, not 54 itself will be 53. Yes. And enter again. Now I set the IP address manually, then it's now time to do our next interfaces. Enter an option 2. At this time I'm going to leave the tree as is. I'm not going to assign any IP address, or I'm not going to assign any DHCP. So I will put 4, then configure interface no. IP address 192.168. Now this is 3.254. The subnet 24. No gateway. No IPv6. And enable the DHCP server. It will be 3.1, the starting, 168, 3.253 is ending. Press enter to continue. Now it's time to do the option 5. Nope. We will do pretty much the same thing. It will be 4.254, 24, enter, no, enter, yes, 192.168, 4.1 is starting, and 4.253 is ending. Enter. Now the last one. Enter the option 2 and 6. Then 192.168, 5.254. No, first no. Now 168, 5.254, 24. No gateway. No IPv6. Then yes, 192.168, 5.1, 192, 168, 5.253. Yep. Now we set up all the interfaces and the IP range. Now let's see if it's working as a DHCP server and can we access to the graphical user interface. So what we do, we select any of the virtual machines. Make sure when you go to the settings, the network chosen as a VMnet2. Click OK, then go to any browser. Close. 192.168, 1.254. There you go. The PfSense is ready to go. That is pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.